This is what happens when I browse the internet. I find out things like the GM V8s have a problem with the AFM and tappets going bad and engines blowing up, and well, this is just the V6, but I went ahead and bought a Range Technologies AFM disabler, put that in about 2 weeks ago. Seems to work really good. I put a cold air intake on this when I first bought it in 2017. It's a 2015. But I finally went ahead and got rid of my old exhaust, and the easiest way to take it all out is with a Sawzall. I did have my truck up on my ramps, so it raised it up an extra 8 inches, and I was able to crawl around underneath there pretty easily. And I put in the new exhaust here, and it's a side exit, because when I dropped the boat off in the lake, my tailpipe would always end up getting in the water. So hopefully that'll take care of that issue. Plus it sounds really good. What else did I do? Yeah, the Range Technology. Oh, wheel spacers. I put Supreme suspension wheel spacers on, 1.5 inches, and I might not be able to see it, but right here, they're black. I didn't get the silver ones, but I have plenty of clearance, and it looks good. Stock, it would sit flush with the fender, but now, you know, it sticks out just enough to look nice without getting too crazy. So that's I think that's it for the truck. Next, I think I'm gonna probably do the one of those pop-up tents. I was looking at the Bundy Tech aluminum shell pop-up tent, and been also watching videos on how to make a 270 awning. So maybe this summer, with the boat in tow and the grandson inside, we do some camping. All right, thanks for watching.